bwanyuma ya government yo kubinga abantu babayona baturo mu irindiro ry'enyamishwa eri ya Queen Elizabeth National Park umwaka gwa 1998 n'enkumi ekahaya mataka ankeri ya Ibunga prison mu buku prison aha abantu ababinjiro mu irindiro ry'enyamishwa nikigamba ngo mu kugaba mataka barisaba basongora bakayebwa mataka mingi okukira abahinji babakonjo ngo kandi n'esharo zabo zagumaniza ubuzabuza kandi iki nico ekirukomoka henkayana hagati y'embazo zombi.
Anytime we are going to come back with the ministers and they say stay here or go here or go there. That one it is in the hands of the president now.
We are going to massage you. No. We are going with some of you particularly, and those ones we shall identify, you must give us statements. And after that, as the RDC has directed all of you, those ones go back to your lawful homes. And whoever will resist, we shall use reasonable force.
Tuganireho nabamwe mu bari kuteganisa ubu butikiriza nobu kandi bagira ngo baferirwe ibintu byabo niko kushaba bebembezi okutereza enshongezi bukirikare.
Sange ibintu bamazire no kugenda. Ibintu nasange bidomore bafitenere bafu engoye zo mwana bera stayiro munzu zona bastwara za blanketi.
By going back to our land, so that maybe we can be heard. Yes, people have been hurt. One has lost life just because of carelessness. He was shot dead by people who would have protected us. This is absurd, although he's part of the other team that is grabbing our land.
Emihondano getandika abantu batanu batirwe kurugera hari umukuru w'entebe ya kashatu habwe gombora ya Kiswamba yo fesi katenene.
Kuyanyo kusaba kwanje ikizubu cha ikiroho cyona ni kutamaliza resettlement. Kakuba resettlement yakozewe 2007 government erigaye kajimaliza kurungi ekoleka buri muntu hasemere kuba nagarikira kandi natandikira buri muntu akatunga cyapace kuno kwana kugira.
Daniel Ndahura Kashagama umukama w'abasongora najumira barukuremesa government burukwe kugezaho kutereza enshongeji.
Every time government kuza kuleta na kaba surveillance kupima bakore byapa some basongora who have grabbed land niba mobilizing our youth kuzibura surveys to take place. So no shango bashongora umwe ine acres magana 3 ondije magana mukaga ondije 10 ondije 18. They are the people who have been mobilizing resistance against titling that land.
Enshongeji tujuganira na Godfrey Kabyanga State Minister wa Kanyabwenge no kuhaburi hanga kandi ashoborire ngo mukuru w'ihanga ronzera kachiko akarumba minister okukuratiriza enshongeji.
But let me also assure them that the president has put in place a ministerial committee chaired by Honorable Mayanja to come and look into that problem. And the committee is just waiting for money, and then it comes to look into the problem. But even the problem is half solved because there are so many reports about that issue, and the reports are also giving recommendations.
Gashaka Gilbert Muhanguzi.